What if I told you some of these RC toys are so fast, so wild, and so completely out of control that they probably shouldn't even be legal? I bought 12 of them. Some of them broke records. One of them drove up my wall, and one of them was smaller than my phone. Let's go. Let's start with something that sounds impossible. This RC car is the size of a computer mouse. We're talking 54mm long and just 24 grams. You can literally balance it on 2 fingers. But here's the thing, it has a real FPV camera built in. You put on the goggles, and suddenly you're sitting inside this tiny car, racing across your desk at full speed. First-person view, like a real racing driver, but the car fits in your shirt pocket. The Sniclo SNTQ25 is a 1:100 scale desk racer, and it is one of the most insane things I've ever driven. 60 minutes of battery life, full 4WD, real suspension, indicator lights, brake lights, on a car smaller than your hand. Once you try FPV, there's no going back. Now what if you took that FPV experience and scaled it up and added drifting? The Diatone X Sniclo CA51 is a collaboration between two of the biggest names in FPV, Diatone, who makes racing drones, and Sniclo, who basically invented micro FPV cars. The result is a 1/43 scale drift car with a live FPV camera, goggles included, full 4WD, and tires tuned specifically to slide sideways on smooth floors. You put the goggles on and you're drifting from the driver's seat. It corners at angles that would flip most RC cars, holds the slide, and comes back for more. At around $130, this is the most fun you can have sitting completely still. Here's a question, can your RC car drive into a swimming pool and keep going? Because this one can. The KBKAIBO Q205 is a 1/12 scale amphibious monster truck. It drives on land, it floats on water, and it transitions between the two without stopping. You drive it straight off the grass, into the pool, across the water, and back out the other side. Sealed waterproof body. 7. 4V high voltage system. Proper torque for climbing out of water onto rough terrain. It handles sand, mud, rocks, streams, and your garden pond without breaking a sweat. Most RC cars avoid puddles. This one hunts them down. Okay, this one looks fake. I need to say that up front. When I first saw it, I didn't believe it either. The Airhog Zero Gravity Sprint is an RC car that drives up walls and across ceilings, upside down, on your actual ceiling. It uses patented wall climber technology, a fan-based suction system that creates enough downforce to stick to any smooth surface. You flip a switch on the back, point it at the wall, and watch it defy gravity. Floor mode to wall mode to ceiling mode, all with the same controller. USB-C rechargeable, lightweight, and somehow it actually works. My ceiling has tire marks on it now. Worth it. This one stops people dead. Not the car, the controller, because the controller has a built-in LCD screen showing you a live video feed from the camera on the car, real time. You're watching the car's point of view on a screen in your hands while you drive. No phone needed, no app, no goggles, just a screen right there on the remote. The Trinton Tech FPV RC truck is 1:64 scale, with a magnetic 4.5-degree adjustable camera, 2 speed modes, 2.4 GHz control, and it works right out of the box. It's the RC car that makes people stop, look twice, and immediately ask where you bought it. Now let's talk about the most viewed RC vehicle of 2026 so far. The Armour Mini Kraton 3S BLX is a 1/16 scale monster truck with brushless electronics compatible with 2S and 3S LiPo batteries. That means real speed, real power, on a truck that looks like a toy but performs like a proper hobby-grade machine. It was built for bashing jumps, crashes, rough terrain, all of it. And despite its small size compared to the full Kraton, it matches its big brother in attitude. If you want one RC car that does everything and is genuinely fast, this is the one 2026 keeps coming back to. Let's slow down for something completely different. The RC wall climbing gecko doesn't look like an RC car, it looks like a lizard, because it is one. A remote control gecko that crawls across your floor, up your walls, and across smooth glass surfaces just like a real reptile. Swing head, wagging tail, LED eyes, 2.4 GHz control, and a design so realistic it will absolutely terrify someone who walks into the room unexpectedly. It runs on both floor and wall mode, charges via USB, and weighs almost nothing. This one isn't about speed, it's about the reaction when someone sees it crawling up your window for the first time. Completely priceless. You've seen amphibious trucks, but have you seen one shaped like a shark? The RC Shark amphibious truck is exactly what it sounds like, a remote-controlled vehicle with a shark body that drives on land and powers through water. It's waterproof, IPX7 rated, floats, propels itself across pools and ponds, then drives straight back onto dry land like nothing happened. The shark design means it looks absolutely unhinged coming across a pool surface at you. Kids lose their minds over it. Adults aren't much calmer. Summer Toy of the Year, no competition. Back to FPV, and this time with a twist. The Paisasork FPV RC car has a 2.8-inch display built into the controller, a 60-degree adjustable HD camera on the car, app control via your phone, and standard 4G radio, 2 control options in one. It's an off-road truck, so it handles rough terrain, has 2 speed modes for beginners and experienced drivers, and the camera angle adjusts, so you're always getting the best view even when climbing over obstacles. If you want to try FPV off-road driving without spending a fortune on goggles, this is the entry point that actually delivers. This one transforms. You press a button and it changes shape. The RC Spider Transform car shifts from car mode into a wider, lower, spider-like stance with illuminated underbody lights and glowing eyes. In car mode, it races normally. In spider mode, it can spin 360 degrees, perform stunts, and looks genuinely alien moving across the floor. 2.4 GHz control, 1-button deformation, LED lights everywhere, and a design that makes it look like it escaped from a sci-fi film. It's the kind of RC toy you put on the floor at a party and let everyone figure out what it is by themselves. If the previous ones were fun, this one is serious. The Moon Zemus LD18401 Pro is a 1/18 scale 4WD RC crawler with a sensorless brushless motor, metal axles, and genuine hydraulic shock. Not plastic, not simulated real hydraulic shocks that compress and extend as the wheels follow terrain. Full proportional too. 4G control, rock-solid suspension travel, and a price point that makes proper hobby-grade performance accessible to anyone. If you've ever watched professional RC crawling and thought you needed to spend thousands to get that experience, this is the one that proves you don't. And we're finishing with chaos. The double-sided 360 flip stunt car has no right side up and no wrong side up. If it flips, it just keeps going. LED headlights on both sides. 4WD, 2.4 GHz, rechargeable, and a design built specifically for crashing into walls and recovering without missing a beat. It spins, it drifts, it flips over obstacles, and drives away. Kids go absolutely feral for it. You put this in a room and every single person in that room will eventually pick up the controller, no exceptions. The perfect final gadget for a video about RC toys that shouldn't be street legal, because this one has absolutely no regard for traffic laws, physics, or furniture.